much. But I'm back now. We are making cinnamon buns. On Swedish we say kanelbullar. I love kanelbullar. First we need some pastry. Then we need icing sugar, butter, cinnamon, and sugar. Are you ready? Let's do this. What are you waiting for? You need to mix the butter and the cinnamon and the sugar together. Let's start with the butter. That was a big clump. Cinnamon. So. Steak time, baby! Yeah. Oh, this looks really yummy. Keep stirring till all is mixed together. There we go. Grab your pastry. We use pastry from the store. Shh. Like that. This is hard. Ha 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 ha. There we go. We're going to spread the mixture over half of the dough. Now, time to smother. This is hard. Yeah. You can hide from me, please. Pastry. I folded them in half. It's sticking. Don't want to break this. There. There. There we go. Okay, kids, grab your knife. Cut the dough in strips. Remember to be careful with knives. Finished! I'm taking this one, spin it around carefully, and then like that, and that, and then like that. Oh, this one was really big. I can't wait to eat them. The key is to roll it up and make it to a fun little shape. I put it in the oven for 15 minutes. There. Oh, so hot. Hey Google, put on the timer for 15 minutes.
All right, 15 minutes. And that's starting now.
Uh-oh. We forgot to brush it with egg. We made some more. We're going to brush this with egg first. Now we wait. Both of them is cooked, but we need to wait till them cool down. Ooh, perfect. We're going to sprinkle some icing powder on it. Tasting time. Yum. This one is really good. Huh? Eat it. Thanks for coming, everybody.
Please.
See you next time.